Let's see why learning from online video courses is harder. Our brain is more engaged as opposed to watching a video. Learning through the book is the ultimate brain workout. Because as we're looking at text, we're constantly maintaining a mental picture. We're converting words into concepts and facts, and we're trying to draw and depict that little movie inside of our head. When you're learning through a video, you're just staring at the screen without getting engaged with it, and that is passive learning. That doesn't really work. So that makes learning through videos a little harder.
In this video, we are going to see 5 effective ways to overcome it. Set goals. Setting goals in online video learning is crucial for staying focused, motivated, and ensuring that you make the most of your learning experience. Determine what you want to achieve by taking the online video course. Be specific about the skills, knowledge, or outcomes you hope to gain. For example, if you're learning a programming language, your goal might be to develop proficiency in writing code and building applications. Choose the right video. Choosing the right course is essential for effective online learning. Here is a checklist to consider when selecting an online video course. Is course description and promo relatable and understandable? Course focused on your required topic or not? Are you confident in the instructor's expertise? Are there any prerequisites or requirements? If so, do you qualify? How much time is required? Do I have that much time? Pace yourself through the course. Watching does not equal understanding and learning. Become a curious child and start questioning. Why are things this way? Why are not that way? What does that mean? Why does that happen? And start sending probes to your mind to make the brain more fertile ground. That way you could get yourself interested in anything you want by paying attention to detail and asking questions. Take notes. Don't miss to take notes. Taking notes while engaging with online video courses can significantly enhance your learning experience. Remember, note-taking should be an active and personalized process. Focus on capturing key ideas, summarizing information in your own words, and making connections to enhance your understanding. Regularly review and revisit your notes to reinforce your learning and maximize the benefits of this effective learning strategy.